What's up, everyone? It's K-Rox. So, I nearly lost my entire Roblox game yesterday because of a single mysterious infected model. Like, not even a virus model from some sketchy site. A normal model with scripts from the toolbox. And this model turned out to be infected, but because I got hella lucky, I got that type of virus that sneakily asks you to grant it full access to your game in a way that you won't even realize it. This could have been way worse because, as I said, this virus actually asks you to grant it permission. Normally, viruses would just straight up, after you insert them, go on a rampage and try to destroy your game or grant access to it to whoever the hell created that virus. So yeah, I got really lucky here. And the craziest part, I nearly deleted that one plugin that later on saved me 3 times just because the plugin's creator's name was really suspicious. And here's the story behind this all. So here's how it happened. As I said 2 days ago, I was just working on my public transport driving simulator in Roblox that I was trying to make it look like, or at least look similar to Latvia's capital city, Riga, by adding very popular and known landmarks that are in Riga to even actually naming the streets by actual street names that exist in Riga. And everything actually went well until I started pasting in random models from the toolbox that I needed to decorate the spawn, decorate the bus depot, and the shopping mall. And I was stupid and uneducated enough to not launch any playtests while making those decorations. Because if you use Roblox Studio, you know that playtests are the only way of actually testing if a model is safe or not, or if it works or not, which could have saved me enough stress and stuff like that if I would have actually launched it. But when I did launch the playtest eventually, you could just imagine the surprise on my face that I got when I saw a random error pop up on my screen, which of course was a fake error made by the hacker himself. I'm gonna show you a screenshot later because I did get to take a screenshot just in case. And the error told me to copy over the code that was given down below and paste it into the command bar. And when that's done, we'll run the code. Which, of course, if you ever get anything that tells you to do something like that, know straight up that it is not real. Wake up, that's not real. That's literally an attempt to hack you. But I was dumb and uneducated enough to not understand anything about that, and I was really worried about my Roblox game. So, of course, I did what the error said. I ran the code. So, I spent the next 5 minutes at least writing down the code on a piece of paper because it wouldn't let me copy it over. And of course, my fingers and my brain were absolutely dead after that because you can just imagine how freaking hard it is to write down a Lua code on a piece of paper. Thankfully, it was a pretty short code. So I ran it because I was really worried about my game. And to my surprise, it didn't work when I launched the next playtest to see if it got rid of the error. So my uneducated little body decided to actually run the command like 20 more times just in case. Later on, I just got fed up of the fact that the code doesn't work, and I shared the screenshot with AI to find out if I was tripping or what. Why is it not working? And that AI is the one thing that actually saved me, because it told me that that is absolutely not a real error. It's a made up error made specifically to lure you into pasting in an infected model into your world. Wait, not world, like into your Roblox game. You understood me. Sorry, my terms are messing up a little bit. So, as I said, I'm gonna now pull up the screenshot of that error, because if you build in Roblox Studio, you might or might not know how freaking scary this is to see right after you insert 20 models and you don't know which one injected the fake error, or you don't know that that error is fake at all. Right here, this right there, this particular error is a made up fake. Never trust anything in Roblox Studio that tells you to copy over a code and run it, especially if it contains this single line that says RBX asset ID and then just some random numbers. Because that exact line makes your game insert a pre-made asset into your game, and chances are that asset is that thing that's gonna hack you, because it can contain 20 folders with a script inside that it literally crashes your game, or even worse. But now to get to the part where I almost deleted the plugin. So the plugin in question is V4 Verify, or as you could call it normally, Verify. Not Verify, Verify. Now this particular plugin is one of the many available Roblox Studio antivirus programs that exist. And why I said that I deleted it, because, well, almost deleted it, because the name was suspicious of the creator, is because the suspicious name in question is Minecraft Boy 424242. Now, unless this was like his childhood account, I would agree that this is a really suspicious username to have for a plugin developer. So both me and the AI thought that that plugin is also a virus. So I ended up arguing with the AI for a little bit, until I actually dug a little bit deeper and found out that that is not a virus, that it's actually a legit antivirus program. And what I mean by dug deeper is I went to that guy's Roblox account and checked such stuff as the join date and what groups he is an owner in, if he actually has any, in which case he did have two where he's an owner, what other plugins he has made, and what games has he made. And a useful piece of information is also how many friends he has, because if he was actually a virus creator, he probably wouldn't have that many friends, because he literally would have probably joined the platform to create viruses, not to create friends. So yeah, I researched all of that, found out that he's a legit plugin creator, and didn't delete it. So, how did this plugin end up saving me so much? Well, the first save came when I tried to inserting an elevator. I did try to insert it, and the antivirus immediately popped up a warning that this elevator contains 18 scripts that are harmful to the game. I don't know in what exactly way were they harmful, but I wasn't trying to find out, so I got rid of that elevator immediately. Now, how this plugin works is that it continuously scans every single model, mesh, character, NPC, whatever the hell you add to your game to find any malware scripts. And if it does, it pops up a warning with exactly how many scripts he found, and he shows you which exact scripts he found as malware. Now, the second time came when I was trying to insert a random red train into my game to make also a working train system for my game, since it was a public transport simulator. And again, it warned me about 16 different malware scripts inside of that. So of course, I did the logic thing of deleting that thing immediately. Now, surprisingly enough, remember that elevator, and remember I said it had 18 scripts in it that were harmful. Turns out 18 scripts is a small amount to malware scripts in Roblox Studio, because mostly, most of the time, it's either 40 scripts, or if you get lucky enough, like me, just like 18. And now the third time came when I was trying to insert yet another train, but this time it was a metro train with a spawner. And it again contained another 16 harmful scripts. So I deleted it and went for another train that was actually safe. So yeah, that's how a plugin made by Minecraft Boy 424242 saved my game 3 times in a row in one development session, from being the most sus plugin ever to straight up an MVP. Moral of the story: don't judge a plugin by its creator's username, and never ever trust a free model from the toolbox, even if it says that it has no viruses. If you ever had a model try to nuke your game, tell me in the comments, because I know I'm not the only one. And I'm kind of curious to see what models were the problem in your cases. So now this wolf is saying a woof. Stay safe out there and keep your Roblox antivirus plugins active no matter the project. Peace out.